Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to swap audio mode with using your headphones STEELSERIES Arctis GameBuds. So let's open the application, and right here we have two modes, Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz. So if you want to use a dongle here, you should swap to 2.4. And if you want to use it with a Bluetooth, just leave it here, that's it. So you just click here and that's all. Or you can also click 3 times on your left or right earbud. So 1, 2, 3, and I just swap it. 1, 2, 3, and I swapped again. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.